What's up, guys? It's Ray Fierce. I'm back with another video, and today we're doing a hair video. I'm showing you guys how to apply a glueless wig, and this hair is from Ali Sugar, so it's kind of like a mini review at the same time. And yeah, get into it, baby. Look at that lace, okay? And no glue was used whatsoever. No freeze spray, no got to be glue, no none of that. No, none of that, poo. So this is the frontal. To me, the frontal is very thick. It did not come pre-plucked. It's thick as fuck. And you're really gonna have to pluck the dog off of it. Like, period. But the curl is so pretty. I got 2 bundles and a 14-inch frontal. The bundles are 12-inch. And yeah, the hair is from Ali Sugar. And it was cheap. To me, it was cheap. It was $103 for it all together.
Okay, guys, I'm back with another video, and today we're doing a wig video. Obviously, that's what I have on this wig. This wig was actually made on a sewing machine. Period. Okay, this is what it looked like on the inside, so you guys can see it. And I also put an elastic band inside the wig. Didn't record neither one of those parts. If y'all want a wig on a sewing machine made, a frontal wig, because I already have a video up with a closure wig on the sewing machine. So if you want to see measurements and all that and how to put the band in, leave it in the description box. And yeah. And this hair, guys, is from Ali Sugar hair. It was so thick. Trying to see when my hair gonna start showing it. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and separate the part by ear tabs. What we need to cut off.
As you can see, guys, I'm just cutting off the ear tabs. Per use, necessary step for you, or if you're doing this on somebody else, because you want them to be comfortable. You want their ear to be comfortable, and yeah, you want it to look natural. And now here I am going to cut the lace off. I'm going to go in and cut it with my shears at first, and then I'm going to use my eyebrow razor and start cutting away and making it raggedy, because that's the key. You don't want a straight line. I feel like the eyebrow razor is very beginner friendly because it makes it raggedy on your own, like for you. Versus the scissors, you have to be able to go in that zigzag pattern with the scissors. And yeah, you just want to cut that lace, clip your hair back so that you can see the lace, so that way you won't cut too much hair off. But if you feel like you don't need that hair, then cut it off. Cut it off, honey. But yeah, you guys can see how it's making it raggedy. And not in a straight line. Doing the same thing to the other side. Just cutting it off. And this lace color, guys, was too dark for me. It was kind of like grayish. I made it work. I put the makeup in it, but it was kind of grayish. Yeah, it was a little too dark for me. So I don't know if they have transparent lace, but you just want to keep that in mind. I'm taking this Makeup by Kiss and rubbing it in my frontal, and I'm going to spray the freeze spray on there and blow dry it. The reason I sprayed the freeze spray is because that makeup has oil in it. So yeah, I just wanted to make sure it was set in and we didn't have any problems with it transferring. So now I'm just doing that part and sectioning out the pieces for my baby hairs. I try not to pull out too many baby hairs. Whew, so I'm tired. But baby hairs are just not my favorites, but I do them. And yeah, so I'm gonna pull out some baby hairs and make some baby hairs. If you don't like them, sometimes you can pull them back up even after you cut them. So this is something you just want to take your time with, and I'm gonna cut them with my razor once again, and I'm gonna go in and use my Afro-G mousse to actually lay the baby hairs. I should have cut them way shorter than what I did, but I didn't. The shorter you go with the baby hairs, the more natural they look. And yeah, I'm happy with the way this came out, being that the frontal was just so thick. Like, I hate thick lace. I mean thick frontals. So I always try to get you a pre-plucked, something that's pre-plucked. So yeah, now I'm gonna go in and create the baby hairs. Using the mousse is kind of hard sometimes. So, you know, if you like gel, we use gel, but I like my baby hairs to look soft. I like them to be soft and not have that crunch to them. But sometimes on clients, you can use gel just depending on the client. And gel is going to be hard and last. This lasts, but eventually the mold goes away. Yeah, I'm over here struggling, trying to get these baby hairs together. And trying to make sure that y'all can see at the same time. It's hard, baby, trying to film these videos. So give it a thumbs up right now. So now I'm going to tie my hair down with this wrap. I'm getting her right, getting her tight. And you want to tie it down so that way this can dry. You can sit under the dryer or you can blow dry like I am, because girl, that under dry just be too much. It'd be hot. But I put clients under there so time can go by faster. So yeah, you just want to blow dry down. Make sure that part is nice and defined, which it is. It's so nice. And yeah, I didn't do the ball cap method because I didn't need to. My hair is blonde under there, so it looks like scalp already, honey. But yeah. So I'm gonna go in and spray her and wet her down. So these curls will be popping, and comb her. I don't even think I did the other side. I think I did it later on in the video. I guess I just was ready to see how the curls was gonna be looking. And baby, they popping. Like, I love that, the texture of the hair and everything. I love that about the hair. I just don't like that the lace was so thick and it was dark. But other than that, girl, she'll go. I just really want to make sure that it's really, really dry. Now I'm going in, taking the top hair thing off. And girl, honey, look at those baby hairs. I call my mama on FaceTime. And it can still lift up. I'm just combing that stuff out. I called mom on FaceTime. She was like, Raven, I don't like that baby hair in the middle. And I was like, okay, I'll get rid of it. Like, neither one of us like extra baby hairs, but people do. So now I'm taking my Bio Silk and I'm gonna rub that inside the hair and comb it some more. And I'm gonna take my hot comb and press that out. Even though this is curly hair, the hot comb is gonna get right, honey. It's gonna get it right, get it tight. As you guys can see, I just lifted that baby hair up. It still wanna stay in place though. But yeah, I got two 12 inches again and a 14-inch frontal because I wanted the front to be a little longer. I didn't want it to be short all the way around or blunt. I wanted the front pieces to be longer. And it sits on top of your head, so it was going to be really short, the 12-inch. Hot comb steaming. Don't let them get it like a hot comb get it, okay? Nothing. Man, it's so silky looking. Yes, guys, I really enjoyed the way this came out. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to thumbs up this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to go follow me on Instagram _RayFierce so you guys can see the bomb outfits I'm going to wear with it. And yeah, it's a look. It's a look. When hairs don't listen, baby, you just pull them. But yeah, guys, I love the way they came out. Trying to give y'all a little side action, a little side view. And she cute. And she lift up. Period. Bye, guys.